Modern monetary theory is dividing the gorilla world. Some gorillas believe it changes everything. Others think it is dangerous. And in the middle, everyone is confused. For many years, gorillas believed one simple rule. The government should act like a family. Spend little. Save more. Never go into debt. In the jungle, bananas became money. Gorillas traded bananas for everything: food, shelter, tools. One day, the government announced, taxes must be paid in bananas. And suddenly, bananas became very important. Long ago, money was linked to gold. But in 1971, that connection was broken. Money was no longer backed by gold. This new system is called fiat money. Normal gorillas use money. They earn it. They save it. They spend it. But governments are different. They create money. With computers. With keyboards. Like modern gold mines. Modern monetary theory makes a bold claim. Governments do not need taxes before spending. They spend first and collect taxes later. This sounds crazy. But stay with the bananas. Imagine a banana factory. It is half empty. Workers are waiting. Machines are silent. The government creates money, buys more bananas, gives people jobs. Production rises. No inflation. Everyone is happy. Now imagine the factory is full. Every machine is working. Every worker is busy. But the government creates more money anyway. Prices rise. Bananas become expensive. This is inflation. MMT says the real limit is not debt. The real limit is capacity. How much can the jungle produce? How much can it handle? That is the true boundary. If governments can create money, why do taxes exist? 2 reasons. First, taxes make gorillas use the currency. Second, taxes remove money from the system. Spending puts money in. Taxes take money out. Balance keeps stability. Money is not magic. Money is a tool. Used wisely, it creates jobs and growth. Used badly, it creates inflation and chaos. Even in the jungle, the question remains, what is money?